Hi there, this is Tess. I'm in the machine factory today, and I will introduce our CNC machine for you guys. This is ND6090. Its working area is 60/100 by 900 mm. The design concept of this machine is based on granite body and gantry cover and automatic tool changing. Vacuum table. The whole machine controlled by servo and multi-process metal processing through programming completely. If you want to process a brass die, you can make a brass die programming file at first. Then you can input the control system through this USB. Then this machine can process brass die completely, automatically. Part the spindle. This machine adopts 4 kV, 40,000 RPM spindle with high speed and good productive efficiency. 2 nozzles next to the spindle. It can spray cutting oil, cutting fruit. Generally, our engineers use industrial alcohol. This disc tool changing. The tool magazine can hold 16 tools and automatic tool changing. Our machine adopts vacuum table. You can see the vacuum hole. The hole spacing is 20 mm and the thickness is 50 mm. The material is aluminum. The flatness tolerance of vacuum table up to 0.01 mm. In the cover, IP56 in the cover meet to EU standard. The most important part of our machine is the granite body and the gantry. You can see that. It's natural granite, Jinan black, with good stability and long lifespan and high hardness. Some companies adopt the body with cast iron. At first, customers don't notice any difference, but after a period of time, the cast iron body will deformed. It will affect the precision of the workpiece. You can see the Panasonic saw motor and driver system. C3 ball screw and P-lever guide rail. All of our CNC machine precision up to 5 microns, which is tested with the UK initial interferometer. Our machines have been exported more than 60 countries and regions. If you're also interested in, please feel free to reach out. Back of the machine. Ball cut. And a lubrication system. A coolant system. With oil box.